So in this question, suppose this is a plane and this is z is equal to 0 plane, correct? This is z is equal to 0 plane, means xy plane. And what will be the perpendicular on z is equal to 0 plane? Z. Z axis will be perpendicular to the z is equal to 0 plane. Now this media is 1, this media is 2, here epsilon r1 is 4, here epsilon r2 is 3. There is no free charge, that means sigma f is equal to 0 on the interface. And in this region 1 electric field is given, and we have to calculate d2 in this region. d2 in this region we have to calculate, okay? So what I can do, I can calculate E2 and then I can calculate d2. This I can do. So first thing is that what will be the profile of E2? That will be, because parallel component of the boundary conditions are same, so it will be 3x cap plus 2y cap plus Ez z cap, because this parallel component of electric field will not change. And then because sigma f is 0, so I can put d perpendicular above minus d perpendicular below is equal to 0. D is epsilon E, so it will be epsilon naught 4 into E1, which is 4, is equal to epsilon naught 3 into Ez. So this cancels, Ez will become 16 by 3. So what will be the component of E2 now? E2 will become 3x cap plus 2y cap plus 16 by 3 z cap. This is E2. And what is D2? D2 is epsilon naught epsilon r E2, correct? D is equal to epsilon E. So it will become epsilon naught into, what is ER? 3. So 3 3 ja 9x cap 6y cap plus 16 z cap. So which option is correct? Option C is correct.